Let's start with what everyone wants to know first, the price. DJI isn't holding back on value this time. The DJI Neo2 starts at just $229 for the standard combo, including the drone, controller, and a battery. A solid deal for a 4K cinematic drone. Want more airtime? The 2-battery combo runs around $279 to $379, while the 3-battery combo sits between $329 to $429, complete with a carrying case. And for those who crave that FPV experience, the Fly More Combo Motion Control Edition goes for $429 to $529, bundling in DJI's motion controller and extra FPV gear. Basically, DJI is saying you don't need a Hollywood budget to shoot like a pro. Another news side. The DJI Osmo Mobile 8 retail box has just leaked, revealing our first official look at the upcoming gimbal's packaging and in-store display. Shared by trusted source at Quadro News, the high-resolution images show a sleek, cinematic box design that highlights DJI's focus on professional vlogging. Unlike the Osmo Mobile 7's simple look, this new design feels more premium and eye-catching, clearly built to attract buyers on store shelves. With the device already appearing in retail settings, rumors suggest an official November 2025 launch is just around the corner. DJI seems ready to redefine smartphone stabilization once again. At approximately $229 to $529 for full combos, the DJI Neo2 offers 4K, rumored 60 frames per second, approximately 20 to 25-minute flight time, and compact under 250-gram design with safety features. Against rivals in that price band, Fimi, Autel's lower models, Neo2 leans stronger on DJI's software ecosystem, build quality, and balanced features. Some competitors may beat it in a single spec, lighter, longer range, etc., but lack the all-round refinement. If DJI's ecosystem, stability, and support matter to you, Neo2 is likely the smarter choice. A surprise return with a twist. Here's the twist. The DJI Neo2 isn't just another mini drone. It's DJI's new cinematic toy with serious power. Officially confirmed for a November 2025 launch, this pocket-sized FPV-style drone marks a bold new direction for DJI. According to FCC filings and insider dealer forecasts, an announcement is expected mid-November with an embargo set for January 15, 2026. Meaning DJI wants this one in your hands before the year wraps up. And if you remember the first DJI Neo, it was a cute experiment, but this time DJI turned it into a storytelling tool. Designed for vloggers, FPV beginners, and creative filmmakers, it's meant for as a way to capture moments differently. Power-packed in a tiny frame. Under the hood, the Neo2 flexes some serious upgrades. A 1,660 mAh battery boosts flight time to 20 to 25 minutes, up from the earlier 1,435 mAh pack. Despite the added stamina, it remains a sub-250-gram drone, so it stays lightweight and regulation-friendly. Expect level 5 wind resistance, 16 meters per second top speed in sport mode, and DJI's latest O4 transmission system offering a 10-kilometer range, meaning smoother video feed, lower latency, and far fewer connection dropouts. Cinematic magic in mini form. The Neo2's 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor and 4K 60 frames per second recording make it punch way above its price class. Add 10-bit HDR, D-Log-M, and ActiveTrack 6.0, and suddenly you've got pro-grade footage from something that fits in your palm. Gesture and voice controls make it friendly even for total beginners, and that's the real charm. DJI's love letter to creators. DJI calls this drone its love letter to creative freedom, and honestly, it feels like that. It's a compact storyteller's tool, fun, cinematic, and fearless. Come November 2025, the sky won't just belong to the pros anymore. So here's the question. Will you fly the DJI Neo 2, or just watch everyone else steal the sky? If you thought DJI had already perfected the Pocket gimbal camera, think again. 2025 might just flip the script. Leaks and insider whispers suggest DJI is gearing up to launch not one, but two new Pocket cameras before the year ends, the DJI Pocket 4 and a rumored Pocket 4 Pro. And while the standard model seems like an evolution, the Pro hints at a surprising twist that could make creators rethink what a pocketable camera can do. Both models are expected to hit the market around the same time in late 2025. Sources from DJI's supply chain and industry leak sites suggest the Pro could bring expanded capabilities, though official details are still scarce. What's clear, however, is that DJI is doubling down on performance, portability, and creative flexibility. Design-wise, the Pocket 4 will feel familiar yet refreshed. DJI appears to have shaved 35% off the weight and made the camera even more compact than the Pocket 3, while retaining the beloved rotating viewfinder. Early rumors hint that both models will share the same sleek form factor, making it easier than ever to slip one in your pocket without sacrificing control or functionality. The real magic is in the camera. While early leaks teased a dual lens setup, the standard Pocket 4 seems to stick to a single 50-megapixel 1/1.3-inch OmniVision sensor, the same used in flagship smartphones from Oppo, Vivo, and Xiaomi. Expect Hasselblad color tuning, advanced zoom capabilities, and likely AI-assisted image processing to deliver cinematic quality footage in a tiny body. Low light performance? Definitely a focus. Dual lens? That may be the domain of the Pocket 4 Pro, which could surprise us with features DJI hasn't revealed yet. From a market perspective, the Pocket 3 still sells for around $628.90, so the Pocket 4 will likely land in a similar or slightly higher price bracket, especially with a Pro variant in the mix. Honor just shocked the tech world, not only by launching the Magic 8 and Magic 8 Pro, but by teasing something straight out of science fiction. It's called the Honor Robot Phone. And trust me, this isn't just another smartphone. It's something completely different, something that moves, reacts, and even behaves like a living being. And yes, I'll tell you the rumored price at the end of this video, because when you hear it, your jaw might actually drop. So here's what happened. At the end of Honor's Magic 8 launch event, when everyone thought the presentation was over, the lights dimmed and a teaser video appeared. And that's when the robot phone was revealed. The full unveiling is set for MWC 2025 in Barcelona, early March next year. But this first look already has fans asking one question: is this a phone or the birth of something entirely new? In the teaser, we see a phone with a gimbal-mounted camera directly built into its body. Imagine the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but fused inside a smartphone. The camera doesn't just spin, it moves like a robotic head, tracking motion with lifelike fluidity. It even performs little gestures, turning, nodding, and at one point doing a tiny giggle animation that makes it look alive. Honor says this phone uses AI-driven interaction and tracking, capable of following subjects, framing shots automatically, and reacting to emotions. It's designed to act as what Honor calls an emotional companion, a device that senses, adapts, and evolves autonomously. In other words, it's not just a phone that takes photos, it's a phone that understands you. Design-wise, it's thicker than most flagships, because of that intricate split camera module hiding a robotic arm. When the camera activates, it unfolds from the back like a mini droid emerging from the phone. It can flip forward for selfies, tilt for cinematic pans, and reposition itself automatically. It's like the Asus Zenfone 6's flip camera had a baby with a DJI gimbal, and the result learned emotions. Right now though, it's all CGI. No real hardware has been shown, and Honor hasn't confirmed whether MWC 2025 will feature a working prototype or just another concept. Still, the company has opened early registration on its website, where fans can sign up to receive behind-the-scenes updates, join user feedback sessions, and maybe even be among the first to test this robotic marvel. But remember that price I promised? Well, brace yourself. Early rumors suggest the Honor robot phone could land somewhere between $1,600 and $1,900 in the US market. That's beyond even the most expensive foldables today. Insane? Maybe, but if this thing truly becomes a phone that feels alive, one that tracks, reacts, and even emotes, then Honor might just be about to sell the world's first smartphone with a soul.